Bitcoin had a massive dip today. And when it happened, panic really started to set in for a lot of people, and they started selling off coins in mass. But there's a group of people out there who understand the absolute smartest way to manage these price drops and buy the dip. To go altcoin shopping, if you will. All the time, people say, buy the dip though. Today, I'm going to actually show you what it means, how to buy it and what to buy. Let's get it. Welcome to We Accept Bitcoin, the largest, newest and best crypto channel in all the interwebs. My name is Max. Every day on this channel, I show you how to make money in cryptocurrency. If you like money in crypto, then make sure to hit that subscribe button and smash the likes for your chance to win one full Bitcoin. In this video, I'll be showing you the top coins I'm buying right now. For now, I do think adding altcoin positions is very smart. So let's look at the top coins I'm looking to buy right now. For about 2 months, I've actually been stacking Bitcoin only, so I'm looking now for some altcoin hotties to buy literally today. So going over to coinmarketcap.com, we're going to be looking for coins that we like and are having rough days. Because even though it sounds counterintuitive to your feelings, we want to sell in the green and buy in the red. To see the coins that are the deepest in the red, all you have to do is go to the 24-hour percentage tab and click it to sort it. One click will show you all the coins that are up the most. Another click will show you all the coins that are down the most for the day. And this is where we find the blood. So to me, it isn't as simple as just going down the list and buying every coin. It's about finding the coins that we like, are down, and we're buying those. Also looking at the market cap, we can choose the coins with a lower number than usually. We could choose a market cap like shown in the video. So looking at this list here, the first coin I'm buying is Go. It had a pump of over 10x this month. But looking ahead to 2018, Go has the potential to deliver at least another 10x. It makes you believe that the upside potential is never ending, and you want to get in before it goes up 700%. But that's not really the way that it works. At least usually. Go has now, just a few days later, corrected. And now looks to be a good time to add it to our portfolio. Next, I'm buying REEF. It could possibly head into consolidation for a while, but if you've watched the movements with the REEF token recently, you know it's been moving quickly constant. So I believe it could have a major bounce, increasing its market cap. Next, I'm looking to add AUST. Falling down and having a correction seems like the perfect time for AUST. While in 2018 it was worth a little over $1, now at 4 cents, AUST is a bargain with a 25x potential. Also with a small market cap and a current very good recovery. You can see that people have not forgotten about AUST. The last coins I'm looking to add on today's dip are into this list. You can compare and do your own research. This is not investment advice. Unfortunately, I cannot publish the complete list here. Therefore, I have uploaded it online and you can then download it. You can thank me later. But I also think that these other coins have a lot of potential. But overall, I'm feeling good about crypto for the month of April, feeling better about today's altcoin bargain bin. But let me know which coins you're looking to pick up during this dip. Drop those down below in the comment section. Also, if you enjoy these videos, make sure to smash the like button for us so we know that you like this type of content. That's all I got. Be blessed. We Accept Bitcoin is out.